guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out. Hey guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and here I am at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I just got back from working with Farmer Bob in Kansas at his farm, and oh man, they have it down pat. The soil was amazing, and talk about the abundance of food that you can get when you're doing it right, when you achieve mastery in the field of agriculture. I mean, we've got the beets for you, we've got the onions for you, we've got the zucchini for you. You know, it's just an amazing thing to be able to work with Bob and Miss Deborah at the farm and learn from them and really take Ophelia's up to the next level. But today, we want to really get into what we're doing over there as it relates to watermelon. It is a sandy loam soil, and it's a perfect environment for watermelon, and we planted a whole lot of watermelon over there. Some of the favorite watermelons, like our Crimson Sweet, that's our favorite watermelon. We've grown that every year for almost a decade. Evan's favorite watermelon, the Crimson Sweet. And also, Bob has introduced us to a lot of other varieties, like an all sweet. We're growing that. We're growing tender sweet orange. We're growing two different types of yellow watermelon. And so this is how it looks when we grow it from seed, and it comes out in these little trays, and then we transplant this out in the field. So this is what the yellow watermelon looks like after it germinates and comes out. And so this is about a 70-day watermelon. So once we put this in the field, it'll be 70 days before this is ready to harvest. Our first round of watermelons are going to be ready around the 4th of July. And so around the 4th of July, be looking to reach out to us, and you can get some amazing homegrown watermelons, and this is the one everyone's talking about, the yellow watermelon. And we already have our first planting in the field, so this is a later planting that we'll do, and we'll squeeze it and we'll get this in, so we'll be able to provide you watermelon all year round, and learning from the best in the business, Bob and Deborah Ford at DNR Produce. And so today we have some watermelon. Evan's never had a yellow watermelon before, so Evan's going to take a bite and he's going to tell us what we think. So go ahead and take a bite, Mr. Evan. Oh, no, I've got it. Describe this to me. Describe the taste. It's definitely sweet. It's so good. Definitely sweet. It's crisp. Oh my God. They're gonna love this. Do you think they're gonna love this? I think you're gonna love our watermelon. And Bob, he grows the best watermelon in the business. So get ready for the watermelon with DNR Produce and Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. And we'll give a slice to the cameraman. Would the cameraman like a slice?
Yeah. I think this is some of the best watermelon I've ever tasted. It's nice, it's sweet, it's crisp, and don't let the color fool you. It has just the same, probably maybe, you know, a better taste. I don't want to say better, but it's just, you know, it's up there with the Crimson Sweet, you know, black diamond watermelon, but I really think that this is going to be a variety that is definitely going to sell out here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I think you'll enjoy it too.
Oh my God, Evan, what are you doing? You can't eat that. That part's not really, it is that good. Yellow watermelon is that good. Yellow meat watermelon is that good. Wait a second, guys. I think that's my piece. Wait a second, guys. I think that's my... This is called the yellow meat watermelon. It's an incredible watermelon, crisp taste, and actually comes from Africa. It is a brilliant, incredible watermelon, and we'll have it this season at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.